I'm sure you've heard all about the new Samsung Galaxy Ring. It looks pretty cool, but you can't buy it unless you know which size to order, which is where this comes in. The Galaxy Ring Sizing Kit. Jack it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. Good to have you. This is a very weird video for me because I'm not unboxing a tech gadget. I'm unboxing a ring sizing kit. Who would have thought I would ever do this? I certainly didn't. But I thought you guys would like to see this if you're thinking about ordering the Galaxy Ring. They'll send you this first, and it's essentially a ring sizing kit, but designed specifically for the Galaxy Ring. I know what you're thinking. I already know my ring size. Well, Samsung says the sizing for the Galaxy Ring might be different because of the sensors on the inside of the ring. So they want you to try this first. So without further ado, let's get this over to the table and check it out.
The Galaxy Ring, and this is not the ring, this is the ring sizing kit. I just thought most people would be grabbing this and maybe would like to see an inside look at this. So this is the box. It says Galaxy Ring Sizing Kit, and you could mistake this for an actual product because they did a pretty nice job. They boxed this just like they would a watch or a phone or an actual Galaxy Ring. But again, this is just the sizing kit. So I do want to take you inside and show you what comes inside the box if you are ordering this to size the ring for your finger. Let's open it up. All right, we've broken the seal and we got to try to get this thing open. We'll do the wiggle, wiggle. Hey, it works. It is what it is. It works. You know what I'm talking about. And we got some sort of cardboard thing on top. The top of the box is empty. And let's see what this thing is. Oh yeah, there's the sizing rings. Look at those things. Those are cool. They actually look like those rubber wedding bands that people buy because they're just black plastic. But let's see what this is first. This is packaged, I'm telling you, just like one of their smartphones, just like any of their products where they have this little box inset into the box. You know, why fix it if it's not broken? And it looks like it's just some sort of instruction manual. That's it. That's all that's in there. And this is actually a pretty thick quick start guide for something that is essentially a sizing kit, telling you to try these on your finger. It's got a QR code there, which will take you to a little video showing you exactly how to use the sizing kit, which is probably more useful than the instructions themselves. All right, million different languages. Let's find English here. It basically says you can scan the QR code to watch a video. The images may vary depending on model. Visit Samsung.com for product info. This is useless. I hate to say it, but this is not useful. So scan the QR code. That's what you want, is the video that's going to take you through the process of trying on the different ring sizes. But I can tell you, it's not going to tell you much. It's basically going to tell you we've got a bunch of different sizes here, 5 through 13. And what they want you to do is pick the finger you're going to use it on. Doesn't matter which finger you use it on, but you want to make sure it's not too tight and not too loose, just like you were sizing a normal ring. And you can see that doesn't go over my knuckle because we're going smaller in size. Let me go one step. Yeah, that's one step smaller. So I'm actually going the wrong direction. So let me go up the other way, which would take me, the first one I tried on was a 9, and that was a little bit too small. So let me try on the 10. I actually don't know my size. You can see 10 on the side of the plastic ring there. And notice too, it's got the little sensor knobs or nubs on the inside. This is a mold of the Galaxy Ring, which is kind of cool. It even has that shape that the ring has. This is a mock of the ring itself. So you're going to find the one that fits, and then the actual product will fit as well. That little line right there, by the way, that is designed to go on the bottom against your palm. So the number should be on the top when you're sizing this. And that has to do with where the sensors are located on the ring so you get the right fit. That's something it tells you in that video. And look, if you take a look, you can see all the different sizes here. It's a simple ring sizing kit, but Samsung did a pretty cool job here. Again, molding it based off the actual ring itself with the sensors, so you know, because it's going to fit differently because it's got those sensors on the inside, and it's important to get the right fit because it's not going to be easy to go back and swap sizes out. This is, you know, a pretty expensive accessory or tech gadget here. Again, I think 10 is my size. I think that's the one that I would go with when I get the ring here. You know, I'm going to use it probably on this hand. That's what you have to decide. If you wear a wedding band, are you going to wear it on the other hand? Are you going to wear it on a different finger? Man, I can't get this off my knuckle. All right, I'm going to have to play with this more to figure out the exact size here, but because I want it tight enough. But look on the inside again. There's those sensor knobs or nubs on the inside. That's why the sizing is going to be a little bit different. That's why it's so important to know exactly which size you wear with this sizing kit as opposed to just a normal ring sizing kit. It may correlate, but it may not. So pretty important stuff there. Again, take a look at that. You can see the actual nubs, the sizing kit, the mold of the Galaxy Ring. Hopefully will help you find a good fit, and hopefully you've enjoyed this. I thought it'd be cool to take a look at this little kit, what you'll get if you order the sizing kit, because once you figure out your size, then you use this to let Samsung know, hey, my size is 10, ship me the size 10 ring.
All right, let me have it. If you think this video was a total waste of time, make a comment below. I'll read it. I might not like it, but I will read it. And at the end of the day, I just want to make videos that I think you guys will find useful and cool and interesting. And if this one missed the mark, I'm more than happy to take that criticism. But if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, including my video of the Galaxy Ring. Now that I know my size, I can order the ring itself. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.